Assalamualaikum and greeting to everyone. Our topic is mobile device, virtualization, cloud computing and green computing, hardware troubleshooting. My name is AFIQAH binti Muhammad Zam. Number metric is 25DDT22F1124.
My name is Nurhidayati binti HUZAINI Putra. My number metric is 25DDT22F1129. Today, I want to present about demonstrate process of personal computer assembly and the computer maintenance and troubleshooting that comply with computing standard. The intro suitable workstation is a crucial factor that must be taken into account to ensure the quality and quantity of progressive learning for the student in the current era of technological advancement. In this case, students who want to pursue their career in the internet and programming industry or the digital designing and application department need to take this into consideration. This is why the idea was made to improve the learning environment for pupils by providing them with better workspace. This is a monitor. A monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial or textual form. A discrete monitor comprises a visual display, support electronics, power supplies, housing, electrical connector and external user control. Next is the monitor erase process. First, professional dismantling starts with carefully taking apart of electronic into the individual component. Next is a separation of material. Monitor is combination of plastic, copper, lead, aluminium and even metal like gold. Next is a uses of metals. All electronic from the phone to your computer monitor contain many types of metals that come from mines in third world countries. Lastly, it's a safe disposal. They are also like lead glass and can be used. This needs to be separated and then disposed of specially sized using containers that make sure they are sealed indefinitely. Next, this is a specification of monitor. Next, monitor life cycle. The LCD monitor usually have lifespan of 3000 to 6000 hours of use, which equal 10 of 20 years if the monitor is used for 8 hours a day. It has a longer life than plasma and CRT monitors, and it's somewhat shorter than that current LED monitor. This is how to connect a monitor to computer.
For the PC, a personal computer is a multi-purpose microcomputer whose size, capabilities and price make it feasible for individual use. Personal computers are intended to be operated directly by an end user rather than by computer expert or technician. Unlike large, constantly mini computer and mainframes, time sharing by many people at the same time is not used with personal computer. For the PC erase, it's dangerous to throw the computer away. There are various components within a computer that are either environmentally toxic, such as mercury and lead, or valuable such as copper, aluminium and gold. Most computers contain hazardous materials that don't belong in a landfill. For the donate, some charitable organizations will accept all computers in working order. Second, many companies offer trade-in program. They take an old computer or other electronics and give credit towards the purchase of something new. For the third, recycling program take an old computer and either refurbish it for use or break it down for recycling. This is specification for the PC. For the reason and purpose, It has a large storage to store more data and can be used for a long time. It also doesn't slow or lag the PC, so the user doesn't need to worry about their PC being lag or slow. More features that can make it easier for users to do their work quickly and well. Without this feature, users will be wasting their time working 24 hours. For the PC life cycle, the current industry standard for a desktop computer is 4 to 5 years, while that of a laptop computer is 3 to 4 years. This is how to set up the PC. This is a personal computer.
Okay, this is a keyboard. A keyboard is one of the primary input device used with a computer, similar to an electric typewriter. A keyboard is composed of buttons used to create letters, numbers, and symbols, and perform additional functions. The following section provide more in-depth information and answer to some of the frequently asked questions about the keyboard. Okay, this is a keyboard erase. It's unsafe to dispose in the trash bin. Modern electronic depend on variety chemical and metals. Also, mercury found in light bulbs and computer monitor can cause muscle weakness. Next is a reason and reference purpose. Keyboard allow the user to type letter and number to send message and input text. It's also used to operate complex device. Keyboard can use to play games, type document, perform function, assign it to shortcut key and carry out other tasks. Next, it's a keyboard life cycle. The life cycle of keyboard is between 2 to 7 years depending on the usage. If play a lot of video games on it, then the quality of the key go down and they become less responsive. Okay, this is a specification of the keyboard. This is how to use keyboard.
A mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld hardware input device that controls a cursor in a GUI, graphical user interface, for pointing, moving, and selecting the text, icons, files, and folders on your computer. For mouse erase, first, take it to the local recycling center. Contact or visit a nearby erase accepting recycle center. It exchange all accessories with new ones at half the price at a retail or wholesale shop. Second, sell all mouse and computer accessories. Google is the key to searching all the online stores that are accepting all mice and other computer accessories. It wants to dispose of or recycle electronic equipment in bulk. Contract a green recycle center in the area of city. Third, take it to the manufacturer. Search for manufacturers near who run recycling program and knowledgeable in the disposal of a computer mouse. This is specification for a mouse. For mouse life cycle, for a simple computer user, it can be as long as decade. For enthusiasts, it's probably more closer to about 5 to 7 years depending on the mouse. In terms of cameras, maybe 2 to 3 years. How to connect mouse to PC? First, turn on mouse, then follow the instruction to pair it to a PC. Simply plug the Dell optical mouse into any available USB port and get to work. It's that easy. This is the mouse. AVR. An automatic voltage regulator AVR is an electronic device that maintains a constant voltage level to electrical equipment on the same load. The AVR regulates voltage variation to deliver constant, reliable power supply. Without an automatic voltage regulator, voltage can sag, spike or surge on damaged electrical device. This is specification for AVR. This is how to set up the AVR.
Lastly is a conclusion. This means that improving the computer system in the lab is necessary to guarantee the growth of student educational experience as well as ongoing use for the facility by future career. This plan will enable computer improvement and improve learning environment for our students. Everything has benefits and drawbacks. Electrical products are becoming more advanced and endanger people, the environment, and the earth. Therefore, is it important for us as humans to be conscious of our environment and produce things that will be more positive and negative. Thank you from us.
Thank you. Bye bye.